Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Novia Natasha, and now I will speaking about podcast. And then the podcast, the title is Keeping the Child from Smartphone. And I take the podcast from BBC English Learning. What happened? I'm choose that podcast because podcast is good in our life, and I think the title is good too and important too in our life, and then can make example from our child because if we are holding phone continue, that is a make our negative, so that we must can keeping our child or our brother, sister, and etc. to our phone, because if we are continue to holding phone, make our life is negative but not positive. Okay, before I am review that podcast, I will give you reason what happened I am choose that podcast because the I think uh keep keep our child from smartphone is important for number one. And then what happened, we are always keep our child to smartphone because make a negative, we and then never learn a book or never play with the friend, always busy in ourselves about phone. Okay, and then I will give you a review this podcast. Okay, now I will review that podcast when I think that podcast is uh enter to in our life, make our life is uh make a negative or positive, and now I will make you different between negative impact for positive impact from that smartphone. The negative, if we are continue holding phone, we are make a new negative in ourselves, because we are never our least time in our family, our friend, and our self, so we can avoid can avoid and list from this that phone, not continue no of our time, because if we are holding phone continue, we are is so kind about the our environment, about that. And then we are never mind holding phone, but don't always and then don't every time to holding phone. And if I give a value from that podcast from positive, is a good too, because the phone can make our life is positive, can about the media social, can about information something for environment others. And i and i know phone is important too in our life, never people to holding phone, always the people holding phone too, but I think you must can keep the phone for positive, don't negative only. Okay, I will give you what happened. I'm just that podcast. What happened? I'm choose that podcast, the keeping the child for smartphone, because we are our parent or our generation. We must can holding phone, we must can holding phone. But if our child holding phone continue every time, that make them is a negative impact, the no positive impact. Of course good, make holding phone, but if you continue like uh play game continue, and don't and no learn about the school, always focus in play phone continue. And and what happened, I'm take the podcast because that podcast is good, I remember it to the others people if phone is not good in our life. If we can keep phone from negative, we can something about it. If we are holding phone that positive, that is our life is good and make our life is success. So from now, if we are if we are give our phone to our child, it's never mind, but give a time or 5 minutes, 7 minutes, or 20 minutes, then until always continue, because make broken our healthy, make our broken our healthy, like eyes. If we are pun continue, the eyes is tired, so make a minus and always wearing glasses from holding pun continue. So from now we can keep our child or our sister or the others to holding phone if the positive impact, the negative impact. Okay, come back to me. Holding phone is every time, every day, never holding phone. And from me, for me, holding phone for every day for me is I never to negative impact, but I think if I am holding phone for negative impact, make our life is broken. Our broken. We are never uh, give time to family, give never give time to our friend. We are always continue focus in front of phone, and then uh, open the social like TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, and then the important is game. Never mind, game is game. Make our brain is no dizzy or busy, but if long time we can make a negative impact from that phone, and from and I think the positive impact from my everyday is like content, and then see media social, and then look for the information from media social, like news information from IG, from TikTok. We are never holding phone, but if we are holding phone, if let's we give him time, or 1 year, or 1 hours, that is enough for in our life too. So now I take that podcast because remember to in our life too, and then can make remember the people if smartphone make our life to negative impact, not positive impact. And I take the podcast. The title is "Keeping Child from Smartphone." I listen the good. I listen the seriously, because if I listen that podcast, I can about oh so we are holding phone every day. We can make negative, not positive, and then we are list about the family time, about friend time, and then in ourselves too. We are because we are focus uh holding phone, and then never stop, so make our brain and make our healthy is broken because that phone. So if you all listening that podcast, you must seriously, because that podcast is good to in our life and make our life too good. And I know you must you must you must can about that.